I'm here to talk to you about assignment 4, the Roles and Trends blog. The assignment's worth 20%, and for many of you, PIDP 3100 may be your first course, and maybe the first course you're being asked to blog in, but you will be asked to blog in other courses, so this is a great opportunity to get some skills behind blogging and the technology that goes along with it. We ask that you use the free websites, and you'll find with the free websites that they'll always say to you to upgrade to a paid one because you get more access to more tools. Please don't do that unless you're planning on becoming a blogger. Use the free ones. I've used WordPress and I've had good results with that. So just look at the list of free blog websites and choose one of those to create your blog. If you have some concerns about blogging, by all means contact me and we can discuss how to maintain your privacy. There are some technical specifications with your blog, and we'll talk about this a bit later, but one for sure is your Creative Commons license. So as I mentioned, this is an assignment that runs for just about the majority of the whole course. So I wanted to just talk about it early in the course. So week 1, I would dive in and choose your free blog website and create a blog, because you're going to have to post the link to your blog by week 2. So week 2, and this is worth 5%, and it's full marks, no matter what's going on in your blog, to post a link to the form assignments of your blog. You want to have a brief autobiography on the blog about yourself, and then again, post the blog form to the forum. Part of this is so we can stay connected, and it's a great way to get to know other people in the class. So it's important that you get this link up there. Now you are going to be assigned a learning partner. So week 3, we ask that you set up your week 5 Skype or phone call with your learning partner. We're all busy, so I want to make sure that you get that appointment set up as soon as you can. On week 3, you also start posting to your blog. So we're going to ask you to do some research in your own field, whatever your field of expertise is, around a trend that's going on in your field. What's new in your field? What's something that people are experiencing in your field? So when you post that article, and write a minimum 100-word post discussing the article. There's some guiding questions here you can think about, but think about from your context. Why is this article important to you? What does it say about your field? Week 4, this is post number 2 is due. And you don't have to wait till week 4. You can post anytime. But you have to have 2 posts, right, by week 4. And this is an article. Why don't you do some research and find an article on adult education, something that's of interest to you, a trend, something that you may have come up being new to you, just anything around adult education that's of an interest to you. And again, you want to make a post of minimum 100 words to discuss this article. Week 5 is where you're going to have a conversation with your learning partner. And you're going to discuss what are some trends in your field, what are some trends in adult education. And then week 6 or 7, you can make post number 3, and it's comment on 100 words on your blog summarizing the key points of the call that you had. So when you see this should indicate to you when you have the call, I'd highly recommend you take some notes on that call, because that's really important. And week 8, I'm going to ask you to self-assess your blog against the rubric. So look at the rubric. What does the rubric say about the blog? And rate yourself based on a score of 5. And write a short rationale describing why you gave yourself that score. And this would be, again, posted into the assignment area. You won't post any blog, just a short rationale describing why you gave yourself that mark. Now I want to talk a little bit about the technical specifications, because this is important. Creative Commons, got to be on your blog. Links to the articles you review so that people can go to those articles, so that I can look at those articles. You want to have a range of media, images and video. You want to link it to the School Instruction Education Facebook page. You don't need to have a Facebook account, just make sure that you link it there. And the posts which are dated are regular according to the schedule. So in other words, you want to be posting on a regular basis. And if you look at the rubric and you're interested in marks, I would suggest you want to put some other posts there because additional posts are certainly welcome. And again, the due date for submitting your assignments is week 8, but your posts must be made and the deadlines are listed here and on the class schedule. If you have any questions about blogging or you have any commentary you want to share with me, by all means contact me, but that is assignment 4.